we wanted to appeal to a wide range of personal styles. So with Apple Watch Edition, we're working with a uniquely luxurious metal, 18-karat solid gold. We're using both yellow and rose gold. Each is a custom alloy designed to be not only beautiful, but up to twice as hard as standard gold. It begins at the molecular level, where precise adjustments in the amount of silver, copper, and palladium in the alloy result in very specific hues of yellow and rose gold. Next, we use a new hardening process developed by our metallurgists to strengthen a metal that is naturally very soft. The molten gold is cast, not into the shape of the watch, but into solid ingots. These ingots are then precisely milled to remove any imperfections. They're then compressed to a fraction of their original size, creating dense, pore-free billets. Ultrasonic scanners are used to detect even the most minute defects in the metal. From these solid billets, we machine the watch housing as well as individual components like the digital crown and the clasps for our straps. Finally, each case is hand-polished to an immaculate sheen by highly skilled jewelry artisans. The result is gold that is elegant yet uncompromisingly durable.